Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom. So the first step is to get your Solana address. So open your Phantom wallet application and tap on the coin that you wish to receive, like for example, Solana or Sol, USDC or the USDT, and then tap on the receive. So just take note that all Solana-based tokens use this exact same address in Phantom. So next is to copy the address. So you will see this copy address right here. So you just have to click on that. Copy the long alphanumeric deposit address. So you will now switch to Binance application to initiate the withdrawal. Next is the Binance, which is here is where you're going to initiate the withdrawal. So open your Binance application, go to the wallets, and tap on the spot. So find the crypto that you want to send, like for example, Solana, and tap withdraw. Next is to select address, amount, and network. So paste the Phantom address from the step 2, then ensure that the network is set to Solana. So this is the most crucial step. If you select a different network like BEP20 or ERC20, then your funds will be lost. So you make sure that it is matched with the network. Next is to review and confirm. So before tapping withdrawal, confirm the following, which is the address. Make sure that it matches your Phantom address. Also the network. Make sure that it is definitively Solana, and also the network fees. So it is acceptable, so it is paid in Solana. So once you're done, just tap on confirm withdrawal, and then that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!